how to effectively use Bitcrusher, Overdrive, or phase distortion on vocals or keys in Logic Pro X. So we walked over how to automate before, and we had distortion in there, automating some distortion towards the end of the bar and then taking it away. This isn't going to be much different than that. I'll duplicate my vocal here, and so I have a backup, and we'll work with this. Now, as the drive goes up, obviously the volume is going to go stupid high as well. So let me start really low. I said, this is your frequency therapy, woo! Gifting you lots of prosperity and a positive vibe, polarity, and I'm making fans out of my enemies. On its own, raw like this, it sounds aggressive, it sounds rough, it sounds dirty. But you'd be surprised how many apparently clean sounding songs actually have a little bit of grit, a little bit of distortion on all the vocals pretty much. It acts as a bit of granular glue, as I call it. It kind of latches, the dirt kind of latches itself onto the other components of the beat, and it seems to mesh it in there nicer. Okay, so the top one is clean, the bottom one has the overdrive applied to it. You tell me which one sounds better, and we're gonna start with the clean one. I said, this is your frequency therapy, woo! Gifting you lots of prosperity. Now the dirty one. I said, this is your frequency therapy, woo! Gifting you lots of prosperity and a positive vibe, polarity, and I'm making fans out of my enemies. I like the dirt. The dirt makes it sound warmer. So Bitcrusher, beautiful to add. Clip distortion, distortion to overdrive. They're all the same. There's no real need for me to go and do the same thing on all of them. You're basically going to get different variations of and granular texturizing and distorting and destructing and downsampling of your vocal. That is how to effectively use Bitcrusher, overdrive, and phase distortion on your vocals or on keys in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.